Hello guys, my name is Ranjit and today I am going to show you the easiest way to repair a USB cable which might be a type C. Focus, let it be. It may be a type C or a micro USB cable. This method doesn't require any soldering iron or other equipments that are not available in your house, and this repair will only cost you about 20 to 40 rupees. Now then, let's get started. Okay guys, the things you will require to perform this repair will be two non-working USB cables and a functional OTG, which might be a micro USB or a type C, and you will require a scissors and a electric tape. So guys, the first process to start is by cutting these both wires. Okay, now we have cut both the cables and splitted up the four wires, that is the positive, negative, and these green and white are for data transfer. And suggestion is that you burn these data transfer cables a little bit. Now that you have burned all the wires, that is all the four wires, now you can start joining the wires respective of their nature and color, like red to red, black to black, white to white, and green to green. Okay guys, let's start doing it. As you can see guys, I have joined the respective wires to their colors, and now as you can see they are touching each other, and it might result into a short circuit. To prevent that, we will apply little duct tape to each of them, that is every one of it will be covered with a duct tape. Okay guys, I will show you how to apply the duct tape to the wires. It has this attached. So first of all, you need to attach these. Okay, and press it like this so that it doesn't come out when you cover it totally. Take the duct tape and cover it like this. Make sure that no part of wire is coming out like this. Okay guys, now I have connected all the wires to their respective colors and covered them with the duct tape as required. Every wire should be covered so that it should not result in short circuit. Now let's cover the whole thing so that we can hide these mess up and it doesn't look odd when you are using it. Start with the main middle part so that it will be tight and covered well, and after that cover everything nicely so that it doesn't look odd. Okay guys, now I have covered everything and it looks something like this. And now as you can notice, both the ends have these my type A connectors, that is both have these. And now you might be thinking how to connect it to the phone. And now the last step and the easiest step remaining is the OTG. You have to connect this like this to your, and now you can plug it into your phone and charge your phone. And I was surprised that it also supports fast charging. I have Moto G5 Plus, which supports 15-watt fast charging, and it connects the fast charging and my phone shows that turbo power is connected. So this is the easy way to repair your USB cable. And now let's get to the charging test, and I'll show you that if it connects Moto G5 Plus with the fast charger or not. Okay guys, I have plugged the cable to my phone, and this is the same cable I have repaired. Now let's turn on the switch and see if it starts charging. Yes, it is charging now, and yes, the turbo power is also connected. Thumbs up for that and hit the like button please. And the advantages I found out when I was using these cables was the repair was easy to perform. That is, the other tutorials on YouTube were having really complex electronics used like solder gun and glue guns, and they were trying to solder the wires to the micro USB cable inside, which was not so easy for the normal users. And the next advantage is that it increases length. As you can see, I am using the Sony cable that was 3 meter. Initially it was really long, but after I have connected another wire, it is now even longer. And the other advantage is that it supports fast charging. As I have shown you in my Moto G5 Plus, it connects the turbo power. And the other advantage is that it is universal. As you can see, you just have to purchase an OTG for your which is connected by your phone. There you can connect Type C or a lightning port, and it is supported by both. And there is one disadvantage that I found with this method is that you cannot use it as a data cable. That is, you cannot transfer data from your laptop to your mobile via this cable. That's the only disadvantage I found. And thanks for watching guys. Please do comment if it worked for you, and hit the like button if you thought the video was useful, and subscribe for more tech and repair videos. Thank you for watching. This is Ranjit signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye guys.